Hey Puzzle Bestie, welcome back to my channel, Hobbies Puzzle Odyssey. Alright guys, the World Championship is happening. So you know what that means? It's time to do some speed puzzling. As usual, every time I open up one of these videos, I talk about how I have not been practicing. And that is the same. I have not been practicing. What can I say? So, and I happened to did this puzzle before, but we're gonna do it again because guess what? They did it at the competition. So if I was there, I probably would have did okay. Who knows? But we're gonna run this. We're gonna run this back and see how I do and compare it to my last time. I had this puzzle here and I saw they had the option to choose between two puzzles this time. And this was one of the options, an Excalibur Forest, which I don't have that one. So we're going to give this one a try. I think this one's going to be very difficult and I don't think I'm going to do good at all. But I'm willing to give it a try and see what happens. And then I have this 500 piece Pixar Disney Pixar puzzle, 500 pieces. If I have enough time, I can get to this. I might be doing this video, this in two segments, in two videos. So I might throw in a couple more. I've been wanting to speed puzzling. I've been wanting to speed puzzle, so we're gonna get into it. I think I'm gonna start with the New York Postcard. I really, really love this puzzle, and we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see if I can get this one done faster than the last time. I think I can. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, for a warm up, we're gonna do this one, which I thought I did already. And I was on myspeedpuzzling.com and I couldn't find it. But I found the picture. My score was like an hour 45 or something. So let's see if we can get it down to an hour 20. Let's see. Maybe. Alright guys, not bad. This was a warm-up. Love this puzzle. Love, 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 love it. Love the postcards. They're really good puzzles. But I am going to do this one. I'm nervous because while it's kind of a gradient, the chunks of color are kind of more on the solid side. So it's going to be difficult. And there's not a lot of information. Like there's these little Zodiac symbols, but I feel like it's going to be challenging. But this is one of the puzzles that were done at the World. And I think They were saying it was one of the harder ones. So, let's see. Guys, I paused for a second because I went to look up at my camera really quick. And you know what happened? I wasn't recording. I don't know. I think when I hit the dock, I might have hit the power button by accident. But the time lapse is going to pick up from here. This is what I've done so far. I'm 18 minutes in. What I did was I sorted by color. Obviously, I felt like that would be the most smartest thing to do. I don't know if that's actually saving me time or costing me time. But I got the border done. Got some sections done. I feel like I'm at my normal pace. But we'll see. Alright guys, I'm all puzzled out. This one was a challenge for real. But it's freaking gorgeous. We got 1 hour 56. We kept it under 2 hours. So that's a win for me. I'm loving that I'm keeping my puzzles under 2 hours. I think it's great. You know, that's the goal. It means I'm improving. And this was a puzzle I never did. So to keep it under 2 hours, I went into this puzzle saying it was going to be 2 hours, 15 minutes at the minimum. So I did experience a lot of fatigue with this puzzle. It was very challenging. But it is just so beautiful and colorful. I freaking love it. I love it. And there goes my sign, Libra. Speaking of Libra, my birthday is on Tuesday. I will be turning 34. So stay tuned because Wednesday will be a birthday haul. I will be showing all of you guys what I got from birthday and some of the puzzles that I bought for myself on my birthday because, of course, I hope the mic is on. Of course, I am going to be buying myself puzzles on my birthday and showing you guys what I got and what people got me. So I am excited. And this was tons of fun. Also, Noemi's coming over tomorrow and we are going to practice puzzling as a team because we're planning to do a team competition soon. So we're going to practice together. I will be filming it. That will be an episode, so stay tuned for that. And the other puzzle, the Disney Pixar, I will be doing a... Sorry, my finger's in the way. I will be speed running this for a single video. I love it. So stay tuned for that. I have a lot of speed puzzling content coming up because Worlds is happening, so might as well. But I did 2 of the puzzles that was at Worlds, and they were extremely fun. I love the postcard. I felt like I did good. I cut back on some time. And then this one, I kept it under 2 hours. I'm getting better. That's a good sign. So am I fast? No. Am I having fun? Yes. So, all right. That is it for today, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you all make good decisions and enjoy this wonderful day. Peace and love. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.